Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to buy crypto on MEXC exchange. So for this purpose, first you need to open MEXC.com at your browser. Then at the top you have some options. Here you can see the option of buy crypto, just go there. Once you click on buy crypto button, then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Here you can see you can buy crypto by debit or credit card, by global bank transfer, and you can also buy crypto by using quick buy sell, P2P trading and MEXC MasterCard. But here I think global bank transfer is best for buying crypto, so just tap on it. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Then from this page here, what you need to do in I will spend, you have to choose coin which you want and then choose payment method for buying crypto. Here you need to choose USDT and then choose payment method. After that you will see you can easily buy crypto on MEXC Global Exchange. So it's very simplest and easiest way. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.